A man in western North Carolina is likely the first to receive radium-223 for a recurring prostate cancer. That is a new drug approved by the FDA only a few months ago.
As News 13's Jay Siltzer explains in this special health alert, even though it's not a cure, it is providing hope.
We have a safe that the isotope is locked up. It comes in a box like this.
That isotope is radium-223, which some patients in western North Carolina are now receiving for recurring prostate cancer.
The prostate cancer, when it spreads, goes to bones. It destroys the bones.
Periodically, I might have a pain, but nothing sustained and nothing that's debilitating at all.
Have you had any nausea?
Still, 87-year-old Glenn Reetz discusses receiving radium-223 with radiation oncologist Charles Thomas at 21st Century Oncology in Clyde. That's because Reetz has battled prostate cancer for 18 years and has tried several therapies that have eventually failed. Receiving radium-223 intravenously is a last option.
I'm hopeful that it will keep me alive with a good quality of life for however long.
It is the first medicine of its type for prostate cancer that has a survival benefit as a radioactive isotope.
Typically, there are 6 treatments, each given about 6 weeks apart, lasting an hour at a time.
The radium-223 emits an alpha particle, which is a large particle, and it only travels the length of 10 cells. That's less than the thickness of a sheet of paper, so it doesn't irradiate other body sites.
I've had no side effects, nothing from it. It's been very good.
But something this toxic remains behind lock and key.
A lot of rules and regs that have to be obeyed and complied with.
It's a last resort for any man battling prostate cancer.
This doesn't replace surgery, primary radiation. Hormonal therapy is still the mainstay for metastatic prostate cancer, but this is an additional, hopefully low-toxic method that a man can live longer and spend more time with his family.
Potentially living long enough to die of something other than cancer. In Haywood County, Jay Siltzer, News 13.